Ready to rumble in the design arena? Today, we're pitting Creative Fabrica against Kittl to see which platform reigns supreme for your creative projects. First up, Creative Fabrica. Think of it as a massive digital library. They boast an enormous collection of fonts, graphics, crafting templates, and even classes. Notice the wide variety of styles and assets available right on the homepage. Creative Fabrica shines with its subscription model, offering all access passes for a monthly or annual fee. This can be a total game changer if you're a high-volume designer or crafter. They do also have individual purchase options if subscriptions aren't your thing. Now, let's step into Kittl's world. Kittl is an online design tool focusing on ease of use and ready-made templates. Notice the intuitive drag-and-drop interface, perfect for creating logos, social media graphics, and print-on-demand designs. Kittl truly excels with its user-friendliness. Customizing a template is super simple. Even if you have limited design experience, change the colors, fonts, and layout with just a few clicks. Kittl offers a free plan with limited access, which is fantastic for testing the waters. They also have paid plans that unlock more advanced features and design resources. So, which one is better? Creative Fabrica wins for sheer volume and a wider variety of assets. But Kittl shines with its ease of use and quick design capabilities, especially for those new to design. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and design experience. Consider your budget, project requirements, and how comfortable you are with design software. Do your research and explore both platforms. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments.